Okay, guys, it is another beautiful weekend, and of course, we will be checking out some of these assets together to see what we should look out for this weekend. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, yesterday when I was doing my analysis, I said I actually highlighted some points out on this particular setup. I said if this is broken, then it's going to lead to change of trend. Okay, change of trend, and of course, if it broke out from here, then it will lead into structure broken. Okay, that is, the structure will be broken at that particular point. But as we can see, it broke out above at this point, and of course this led into an uptrend, and you can see it went into a full uptrend, and that's amazing. If you had coming around there, this will have given you a lot of profit, and all these are spikes trading. This is so amazing because this is the next 1200, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. And as you can see, guys, the indicator also indicated all these. In short, it indicated it right from here, and of course it bought for a very long time. That's a beautiful one from us. Okay, so this has actually got into this region. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. So you should watch out for that. Okay, or probably you wait for the next movement before you go into the trade. Now let's check out GainX 999. INDICES 999 actually went back on uptrend yesterday, and of course it got to this particular resistance zone. Tried it out several times. You can see it getting there and trying it out, and of course it broke out uh, below this. Okay, at this point, and of course switched from a downtrend from an uptrend into a downtrend also at this point, and gave us a sell signal, and this had been selling since then. Okay, just a single sell signal had given us a lot of profits already. This is 30 candles. All these are 15-minute candles because this is 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine this is so amazing, guys. So if you have the right trading tools or you have the right knowledge, you will always know the market right from there. So this is still heading towards this, but at first, it should be getting to this first. Okay, so do your plan very well. If you're still in the market, keep on milking it. Just trail it down to the end of the trend using your stop loss. Okay, you understand what I mean by trailing down your profits. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 1200, guys. This is Paynex 1200. This actually gave us a lot of profits yesterday. Even though it didn't get to the last TP, it got to the first, second, third, and fourth TP. Okay, that's so amazing before going back down. It has gotten to the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will switch from a downtrend into an uptrend and will follow the step again and buy again. This is the target, the final target that we are looking at. Okay. However, make sure you trade carefully so that you can get the best out of it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. I actually analyzed this yesterday. At first, when I did my analysis, I drew the first trend line. I didn't get there. Later on in the day, I drew another one because I noticed that it was getting to this region and coming back, getting to that spot and coming back. Okay, so I have to draw another trend line right from here to this very moment. Okay, and if you should check it out, okay, it didn't cross at this point, but later on, if you should extend this trend line downward, okay, you can see it's crossed at this point, and that is when this actually switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and gave us a buy signal. So this will have given you a lot of profit if you had followed out this information. Okay, so this is huge, guys. This is huge, and this is still in profit, and it's still trying to buy. Okay, and definitely we're trying to see if it gets to this region, this particular spot. Okay, you can see it right here. So if it get there successfully, that's a good one. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, if you're still in the trade, congratulations to you guys, because it should be in a lot of profit right now. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 actually did something amazing yesterday. It had been on downtrend. You remember we milked the downtrend for some days, and it got to this support region. It was unable to break out from there, so it gave us a little buy and add a pullback. Okay, so right from there it went fully on a buy trend, and it is still buying. Okay, so I actually analyzed this in the video, but I didn't analyze it for us in the Telegram channel. All you just need to do, let's say you're having this trading tool, just put it a little bit below this point, and of course um come into the market at this point. This should be your entry point somewhere here. Okay, should be your entry point, and check it out. This will have given you a lot of profits right now. Okay, and it is still buying. It is still buying. First, we are targeting this region. Okay, then next we should be seeing this particular spot. Okay, so this is still going to be a very good buying opportunity for those that are still in the market, or those that are interested, to go into it. Just look for a good spot to join the market. I will advise you uh, to wait for it to break out above this before you join the market. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that is what we have for today. But before we go fully, okay, let me finish it with FX volume 20. The last one we checked happened to be FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 20. Let's check it out. This had been on a very strong uptrend. Check it out right from here. Remember, we actually milked it till we got to somewhere here, and of course it has broken from here, and of course still buying more. Okay, so that's so amazing. Okay, so this is going to be it is still more of a buying opportunity. Just make sure you target the next resistance zone, and most especially if it breaks out above here. Okay, it's going to buy more. Wait for it to break out above it before you go into it, and you target the next resistance zone. But if it does not, we are most likely to have a pullback or a change in direction of trend at that point. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the opportunity right away. I will be stopping right here, guys. In case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you to Qora Digital Cash again. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to join the Telegram channel too. Right there, I usually drop free signals so that you guys can take advantage of it right from there. And if you love this content, do not forget to subscribe. If you have any question, drop your question for me. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.